Good morning students. Today we will discuss exercise 9.3 question number 6. Here you can see the statement in figure A. It is given as figure A. Diagonal AC and BD quadrilateral ABCD. This is the ABCD quadrilateral. In these two diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. एक दूसरे को intersect करते हैं O पर. Such that OB is equal to OD, means it is given to us OB is equal to OD. That's why I have applied this sign, equal sign, means this side is equal to this side. If AB is equal to CD and here AB is equal to CD, this is also given to us. Show that area of DOC is equal to area of AOB. We have to prove this DOC area complete. We have to prove to area AOB. Now let's see the solution. Given, you can write yourself. To prove, you can write yourself construction. To prove DOC area is equal to AOB, we need to draw perpendicular on AC line. So it will be on construction. In construction we will write draw DM perpendicular on AC. Here this perpendicular on AC we will draw and BN perpendicular on AC. So this I have written draw DM perpendicular on AC and BN perpendicular on AC. Now after drawing perpendicular, you can see this triangle and this triangle and this triangle and this triangle. Two triangles we got in one triangle, DOC AOB. We have to prove these area of the triangle equal. In this triangle now we got two triangle. After drawing perpendicular we got two triangle. So now if we will prove these two triangles congruent, then we can prove DOC area is equal to area of AOB. Let's see how we will prove area of DOC is equal to area of AOB. Now firstly see, in triangle DOM and BON, DOM and BON, you can take. Now see, I am showing here this angle in this triangle and in this triangle. You can see this and this both angle are vertically opposite angle. So this angle will be DOM and this angle will be BON, means O will be in between. So we can say these are equal because of vertically opposite angle. DMO this angle, BNO this angle. We can say each 90 degree because perpendicular we drawn and this will be of 90 degree. And now OB is equal to OD and OB this side and this side, because this triangle we are taking in these triangles. So OD is equal to OB. This is given to us. See, it is given to us. Diagonal AC, this is there, such that OB is equal to OD. This is also given and AB is equal to CD is also given. So now if we are proving, here we proved two angles and one side. So angle side, by angle side congruency rule, we can say that DOM congruent to BON. Now if two triangles are congruent, then their areas used to be equal. So after this we can write area of DOM is equal to area of triangle BON. Here area, it is area. So this reason we can write, because congruent triangles have equal areas. Here we proved congruent and here we wrote area is equal of congruent triangles. So this you can see here, this is the reason of this vertically opposite angle. These each to 90 degree and this is given. When we will write after this step, equal area equal step, then this reason we will write congruent triangles have equal areas. You can see here congruent triangles have equal areas. I have written here. You can give equation first this name. Now by CPCT you can write DM is equal to BN. Here when we have proved congruent to these triangles, so we can write DM is equal to BN by CPCT. DM is equal to BN. These two sides we proved equal, so this is equal to this. That's why I applied here double line. One single line is showing these two equal, double line here also, double line here also. It means these both are equal. By CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. If two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts also will be equal. Now another triangle we can take. Now from here equation first we got this name give of equation first, because we have to prove that area of DOC is equal to area of AOB. Area we have to prove equal. So from here which area result we took out, that we will give equation first name. Now DMC and BNA. Now you can take DMC and BNA. In this also AB is equal to CD you can write. These are given equal is in this triangle, and these two sides we proved just above we proved. We can write these equal and this side equal we can write, and this angle, if this angle is this side then this side also, so this angle is 90 degree. Here two sides and one angle we proved, so that only I have written here. In triangle DMC and BNA, DM is equal to BN proved above by second, means just we proved this above. This equation when we have written DM is equal to BN, we can give equation second name, so here we can write. And AB is equal to CD given, DMC BNA each to 90 degree, so DMC and BNA also triangles will be congruent. Here we will apply by RHS congruency rule. RHS means R means right angle triangle, H means hypotenuse, S means side. Now right angle triangle, one right angle triangle we proved. Right angle triangle means here right angle we proved one, and one we have proved AB is equal to CD side. See, you can see here, one we have proved right angle and one we have proved AB is equal to CD, and one we proved hypotenuse. We have written DM is equal to BN. You can see here DN is equal to BN. This is one side we proved, this is hypotenuse. If we will take this triangle, in this triangle this is 90 degree angle, this is one side and this is hypotenuse. Same here, this is in this triangle, this is one side, this is 90 degree and opposite to 90 degree will be hypotenuse. So here we will write by right hand side congruency rule. So here we can say MC is equal to NA by CPCT. See, I am showing you MC is equal to NA. Here we can see, here we have proved these two line by CPCT in these two triangle. Now in these two triangle we proved, we will write MC is equal to NA by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now here we proved these two triangles congruent, so we can write area of these triangles will be equal, because if two triangles we proved congruent then their area also will be equal. So that's why I have written here, since triangles are congruent their area will be equal, so their area also will be equal. Now this is equation third, and here we proved equation first, area of these two triangle equal. So now by equation first and third we can write, if we will add their area, right hand side will be added in right hand side and left hand side in left hand side. If we will add their area, we will get area of DOC triangle, area of triangle AOB. See, DOM and DMC, DOM and DMC, their area we will plus, then we will get DOC. Likewise in, if we will add this area plus this area, we will get AOB. So that only I have written here, area of DOC is equal to area of AOB has proved. First part is proved. Now here you have to write second part to prove. What you have to prove you are write yourself. Then second part proof I am telling you. Since area of DOC is equal to area of AOB, we have proved here. Since means now in first part we proved this. Now it is given to us in second part. Which thing we have proved in first part, in second it will be given. Since then only we are applying when this is given to us. Area DOC is equal to area of AOB, we have proved by adding area of BOC. if we will add both side area of BOC. See, I am showing you why we added the area of BOC. Now you can see here in DOC, area of BOC we will add. So we will get DCB, that only we have to prove in second side. Now if you will add, then you will get area of DOCB is equal to area of ACB. Means DCB ACB. This area will be equal to this area, that only we have to prove. Now third part, to prove, you can write yourself what we have to prove. Proof: two triangles on the same base having equal areas lie between the same parallels. This result we know earlier. Now here DCB and ACB we got equal area. If you will see these two triangles DCB and ACB, here you can see DCB and ACB, these are on the both same base BC, so that only I have written. Since triangle DCB and ACB lie on the same base BC and having the equal areas, therefore these triangles lie between the same parallels. If they are on the same base, then they will lie, these two triangles will lie on the same parallels. Parallels will be DA and CB. DA parallel. These two triangles DCB and ACB on the same base BC and parallel DA and BC. We can say that only we have to prove DA parallel to CB or ABCD is a parallelogram. We have written here same parallels will be this, that is means it means this ABCD is a parallelogram. So students, this was our question 6 of exercise 9.3. You can see I have told you each and every step by explanation, by giving explanation. So now try yourself. Firstly, as it is whatsoever I have written, I am showing you one page. See, this you can see. This is, now you can see the second page properly. So now we have solved this sum. You note down it in fair notebook while watching video and then revise in rough notebook. After that you can revise finally, but don't do any mistake in fair notebook. In fair notebook direct write whatsoever you have seen in YouTube, and I have shown you the clips of pages. Okay, thank you students.